I am confirmed that you ever faced the problem of making PNG images, making icons, or making pictures transparent. Because it cannot be done in Windows Paint. So people usually use Photoshop or other big softwares which can consume much of your time. Today I shall tell you a very efficient and fast software to quickly make PNG or transparent icons in just a few seconds. This software is Greenfish Icon Editor. Let's Google it. Download it from its official website.
Bruh.
I don't know why its official website is not running, yet we can download it from other websites. Make sure that you have searched for the version 3.6, download it from this website. It's about just 4 MB. Let us install it by running its setup. Just this. Now you can easily make PNG of any image you want. Moreover, making icon is very simple and easy in this software. Hit the subscribe button for more tech videos and best solution for your computer.